Alright, so if you own any kind of business at all, or you know any friend or family member that does, or you provide any public services, this video is for you. So, this is the official rollout. The official rollout for Souflotv promo. The official rollout for Souflotv promo. I know you're saying, what is Souflotv promo? Okay, if you have business, you need promotion. What we offer exposure to our audience. Our audience, as you can see, is over 50,000 strong and growing rapidly. Guaranteed to be seen by 7,000 to 10,000 persons per 24-hour period. So if you have a business, and I told you that for advertising, I can put you before, or put your business in the eyes of 7,000 to 10,000 people within a 24-hour period, every 24-hour period, would that not be good advertisement? Something you want to look into? Who we service? All businesses, to include artists, studios, party promos, restaurants, you name it, clothing line, barbershops, salons, even other YouTube channels. I've seen a lot of people who've been hitting me up lately, and they're like, yo, Souflotv, give me channel a strength now. I just start up and me want me giving you a strength by me subscribing to your channel, and your channel only has 20 or 30 subscribers to it, or less. Some of them even have less. And I reach out and I actually hit the subscribe button, but that doesn't do anything for your channel. So what I'm going to tell you is, you got to spend a little bit of money if you want the results that you're looking for. In order for you to grow, to get an income from it, you have to build a platform. I can help you to rapidly build a platform through advertisement and linking your channel to my channel, right? Okay, this is how it's done. So Souflotv does multiple uploads per day, right? So say for instance, I uploaded 3 videos today, and in those 3 videos, your 3 videos, which will by tomorrow morning or by the next 24 hours will garner, 24 hours from release will garner over 10,000 views, right? Say those videos, each video that I put out, your product is featured somewhere in that video. It could be at the beginning of the video, in the middle of the video, at the end of the video, or throughout the video. However I choose to do it, depending on where it fits, right? So that's how it will be done. There are different packages for different prices, and yes, prices. So I gotta address this. So there are a lot of people who them love the free thing, and they're quick to tell you that them don't have no money. Well, I'm working with everybody and any budget. This is not a free service, alright? So, if you're going to hit me up about this, just know that this is about money, alright? Now, I'll do my best to make sure your thing gets all the exposure. We have 3 different packages. We have the starter package, the mid-budget package, and the luxury package. And I will tailor it to your business. And you will receive services based on what your budget is. Alright? So again, this is the official rollout for the Souflotv promo.
Oh, and please know that they will have to sign a contract.
Okay, Bryn's in at the back there. So we've decided that we're gonna do this officially. So whenever you do this, it won't be no big go get your lawyer, me get my lawyer, we do no big meeting. It'll be more like,
this is what you're...
There will be a contract once we agree on what package you want, because the last thing I need is for someone to say, start slandering my name across anywhere. Yo, Souflotv them offer me this and I me pay them this much, I me only get this. No, it'll be a track record of what you got, right? And I want it in writing also. This is how much you will pay. This is what services you will receive. And these are the results that we're expecting, or what we guarantee we can do for you, kind of thing. And we left it there, so, right? So, contract involved, and also payment method. Should we tell them the payment method now?
Yeah.
Okay, so the payment method we've decided to go with is the Cash App. The Cash App. Okay, so here's a quick picture of what the Cash App actually looks like. I'll be going with the Cash App. So if you're planning on using my services, go and look up the Cash App. It's the Souflotv promo, and this is not just for artists. This is for everybody. If you do hair, if you have a beauty salon, a barber shop, if you're self-employed, if you have a lawnmower company, landscaping company, painting company, where you paint houses, if you do floor, if you whatever it is that you do. And at this point in the game, I'm proud to say that we're very well known in more than one place, right? Souflotv stands for South Florida Television. We're very well known in South Florida. We're very well known in the United States of America, different cities and states. We're very well known now in places like the UK and Canada. So this is not some service that is limited to one place where we're located. We're on the net, and the internet is for the world. Okay? So
and point of contact.
Oh, point of, very important. Thank you. You see? May I tell you? Anyway, point of contact, souflotv@gmail.com. This is where you make your official initial contact at. Hey Souflo, just headline it, promo business, okay? That or promo package. Promo something will get my attention. Hey Souflo, I have this business and I want you to do some promotion for me. Where do we get started? Immediately I can get to you and be like, hey, I love to communicate in text, not texting, but in email, writing, because then everything is recorded. Someone can say, yeah man, but we did up on the phone, I talked to you, and you said this. And I'm like, no I didn't, I said that. Well, it did sound like this. No, I love writing, so if we're going to do business, be prepared to write. It's a little bit of writing, okay? You write to me, just a line or two. Hi, my name is so-and-so, my business name is so-and-so, this is what I want you to do for me. And then I'll get back in touch with you. I'll tell you what we can do for you, how we're going to get started, what you need to send me, what I'm going to send to you, and all this other stuff. And we'll work it out from there. 1, 2, 3, and you're on and popping. Alright? The Souflotv, man, I'm not going to draw this one out any longer. The initial contact to start your promo is souflotv@gmail.com. And make sure to put promo package or promo at the top of that email so it grabs my attention. Alright? souflotv@gmail.com. Get your business moving. It's Souflotv, man, with brains in the background. I'm up out of here. Peace.